Hello YouTubers, welcome back to Yorkshire Media 1. I am Mark, your host, your presenter, whatever you want me to be. And yes, I am cheaper and better than the BBC. So, I'll bring you some exciting stuff. And I'll bring you, good taste test. So this is a taste test. This will be Minty Christmas Day special taste test. So there you go. This is what I've got. The Teddy's chocolate mint. And that. And believe you me, this was sent up by Jen's daughter, Lucy, as a bit of a Christmas present, and I'm glad she did, because I couldn't get one up here at all. And you know what it is, it's the mint version to the chocolate orange, as we all know. And there she is. So that's the chocolate orange Teddy's, and that, and yeah. Put that on there. Can't do it. I'll do it on there. And hopefully this will crack open like it's supposed to do. See if I can break its core. Definitely got it. So have I broke the core? Have I done what I'm supposed to have done? Oh yeah. So as you can see, it's definitely all in bits. So you get segments, like I'm going to show you. You get the segments, look. You get the segments. And it's mint. That's what it tastes like, mint. That's nice. And that's what held it together. And that's the core, what held the chocolate mint together. I do like this mint flavour. It is rather nice. It's milk chocolate, it's very milky and creamy. The taste is there instantaneously. You can taste the mint. So very good on the mint. It's not vague, it's strong mint. So it's very creamy and milky and strong mint as well. And yeah, it don't taste bitter, it tastes very nice. Not too, I don't think there's too much mint with it, basically. There ain't too much mint with it, but yeah. Unfortunately, I can't tell you the price of this because it was a Christmas present. So, and I don't want to know how much it is. It was bought for me by Jen's daughter, Lucy. So, I thanked her for it. So it's very nice. It really is. So that's yeah, that's okay there. I think it's a limited edition as well, so I would buy it again. I like chocolate orange, so there's no doubt I'm gonna like this. That's very nice. I do like that. It's too smallish. I end up eating it all before I go to sleep. You watch, but it is what it is. That is a nice little segment in it. That's what holds it all. It's good, isn't it? How they've done it. That's Teddy's unbelievably tasty mint flavour. It says on the box, and that's Terry's chocolate mint. Terry's chocolate mint, gorgeous. Get some, I love it. I do like it. It is nice. It's smallish though. That's the problem with a lot of chocolate. It's smallish. So, like I said, that's from Jen's daughter. So, thank you to Lucy for that. That's a great addition to my taste testing as well. I thought, yeah. It was. I opened it up. She said I could open it up Christmas Eve, so that's what I did. I opened it up. But taste. I automatically think taste test, and that's why I've done it. So there you go. That's your Teddy's chocolate mint taste test. I hope you like this, because I have. I've enjoyed making this video. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas day. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas dinner. Enjoy your day. Don't let anyone spoil it. And I'll catch you on the next video. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. So please like, please subscribe if you're new, hit the bell icon, all that will let you know when I'm uploading another video. Also, please share the video to your friends and your family and to other social media like X, Facebook, Instagram and Twitch, and use the comment section below. And I'll catch you on the next video. So I'd like to wish all my subscribers a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Catch you on the next one. Bye for now. Catch you all later. Merry Christmas.